My name is Anastasia Jackson, and I'm the owner of Cookies Paper Petals in Milford, Delaware. It all started with me just posting a couple of pictures on Facebook, which led to orders. If someone told me 5 years ago that I would be having a paper flower shop, I would have been like, whatever. I never could imagine that paper would turn into such a successful business for me. When I got into making paper flowers and seeing how much joy it was bringing people, it gave me joy to be able to make an impact in somebody else's life. There are a lot of people who come before they go to the hospital and they get flowers for their loved ones who can't have scented flowers or may have allergies to flowers. We use the Cricut machine to make our custom smaller flower decor. Also for shadow boxes, we customize the vinyl that goes on the glass, and then the smaller flowers go inside, all made with the Cricut machine. Every detailed flower and centerpiece for the larger flowers, we use the Cricut machine for that as well. So the Cricut machine is an employee of Cookies Paper Petals. Do you want to customize in vinyl, glasses, shirts, custom vinyl canvases, card making? There's so many different things, over 1,000 things you can do with your Cricut machine. And Cookies Paper Petals did start from home in my dining room. Paper all over the kitchen table, and now from my kitchen table I have a storefront and a studio where I'm able to craft and just put paper everywhere. I never imagined cutting out paper flowers and posting pictures on Facebook would lead to me having a store. What I would like to tell anybody who's starting out their own business, if this is your God-given talent, you use your gift, show it to the world, and then you share it. Teach people how to get to where you are. Where do I see Cookies Paper Petals in the future? I see it as the next retail craft store, customizing still with paper flowers, but also giving you a variety of different crafting supplies that you can get for your everyday needs. So that's why I say take your business to the next level. Like don't just stay stagnant. Keep growing, keep building on it, keep learning more things about what you can do to make your business successful and stronger.